As a single tourist attraction, that's the best thing I've seen so far in Sri Lanka. We're racing people to get to the top. We're getting caught by the motorbike. No. First one's in at Ambuluwawa. I'll explain it later because it's an interesting building. I just wanted to get up first. Where's the bloody entrance? I think I'm the first person in here. I'm slightly out of breath because we're racing to get to the top. I'm at Ambuluwawa outside Kandy, and oh Jesus. But it's an incredible viewpoint. There's a throng of people behind me coming up the hill, so I'm racing to get to the top. Let's see what this is like. So far it looks amazing, the views. Wow. Sunrise this morning had rays that I have never seen. Ooh. The legs are feeling a bit sore after yesterday. Whoa. The climb continues. All the way down there. What? Look at this. Pretty narrow. Oh. It's very narrow. You have to sort of squeeze your way through. Oh, don't know how two people are going to get back down. Oh, they've got little cubby holes that you can stand in. If you don't like heights, this probably isn't the one for you, but oh, that's the top. Yes. I think I'll try and get the drone up before everybody comes up. See if that works.
Beautiful hair.
Beautiful hair. Thank you. Don't get that very often.
Oh.
The old receding hairline. Oh, Jesus, man, that's probably not advisable. Yeah, get down. That is not safe.
So
Probably don't do that. I'm not going to be doing that because it's a long way down. It's 48 meters. And you're 3,500 meters above sea level here. It's a bit of a rush, but well worth coming. See how we get down now. It's squeezing in there. Thank you. Oh. It's just yeah. Thanks, man. Look at that.
Можно кофе только оставить, слушай.
А люди идут за нами.
А? Люди, ну лучше всего постепенно, по очереди.
Нет, а как офер-то?
Cheers, guys. Enjoy. So spots like this where you literally can't have to squeeze through. Okay. Oh, I'll go in there. Oh. They have these little cubby holes to let people past. They hadn't thought of that. There would be chaos, traffic jams up here. Well, that was one of the best things I've done. The views up there are incredible. I was a little bit embarrassed about the lack of research I did for Adam's Peak and the Temple of the Sacred Tooth, especially considering how symbolic they are in religion. So I did a little bit of research about this place, and it's quite interesting. So it's part of a biodiversity park. The hill itself is 3,500 meters above sea level. That's 48 meters tall, and that's a multi-religious sanctuary, which at first I had no idea what that meant. But it's because, got my phone out because I can't remember it all, but Ambuluwawa, or Ambuluwawa, I don't know how to do the wawas. It says it's a large winding tower resembling a stylized Buddhist stupa, a Hindu koval, a Muslim mosque, and a Christian church. So it's all four, it's sort of amalgamated all four religions. That's pretty cool. It's really nice how it's not regular the whole way up. It's a bit like Gaudi's work in Barcelona. It's all sort of organic. It's really pretty, and it's incredible up here. In terms of logistics, I got a tuk-tuk from Kandy. It took about an hour. I had to pay 3,500 to get here and back, and the guy wait for me, which, I don't know, it's probably a 3-hour round trip. You pay 600 rupees to enter, but 50 rupees more if you want to get a tuk-tuk to the top. And it's quite a long hill. It's 1.5 kilometers and it's steep, so just drive all the way to the top from the gate. I got here, it opens at 8 AM. I got here at 7:30 and I started queuing at 7:45, even though there was no queue. So I was the first person to get the ticket. Was the first person to get up here because the motorbike that overtook us stopped halfway up to take a picture. And so I was the first one to the top. I hate to repeat myself, but just be the first ones if you want it to yourself. Because it's getting more and more crowded now. Still, it's amazing. I think it's open till 5, so you don't necessarily get a sunset or a sunrise. But that doesn't matter. If you come to Kandy, do not miss out on this. It's real good. Another little mini tower that you can climb. Oh. I don't know when it was built. I might have to look that up. When was it built? So the history of the temple dates back to the 13th century during the reign of, oh God, King Buonakabu? Buonakabahu. King Buonakabahu the Fourth. That's probably not how you say it. And it was the center of the Gampola kingdom. And Gampola is the town down there. Right, so it doesn't say when the actual sanctuary was built. No. By the way, it was freezing on the tuk-tuk this morning. I was so glad I wore trousers and a jumper. If you came in shorts and t-shirt at 6:30, 7 AM, you might not make it here. It was really cold. There are lots of monkeys here, so watch your stuff. Monkeys steal everything. This place is great. I don't know what else to say. Come here. It's so good. I'd say it's not just the view, it's the quirkiness of the tower, the fact that it symbolizes 4 different religions. You know, Ella Rock and Ella in general is really nice, but so as a single tourist attraction, that's the best thing I've seen so far in Sri Lanka. So that's Christian.
Hindu.
Hindu.
Muslim.
Muslim.
Buddha.
And then Buddhist.
Buddha.
That's amazing. So which god is this? Which Hindu god?
Hindu.
But they have many gods.
Understand.
Ah,
Other please.
yes. Yeah. Thank you. Right, that was really useful. I was literally just heading out. That's the Buddhist temple. That's the Christian church. It's the Hindu koval, I think it was called. And then the Muslim mosque. Just talking to Lucky, he said that the tower was built 10 years ago. Whilst the temple is old, the tower itself was only built 10 years ago. And it was popular with locals, but it was not popular or known to foreigners till about 3.5 years ago. Plus, this road, which is pretty steep and pretty long, wasn't here, or was really bad. So you had to walk up. So the foreign tourists didn't want to walk up. And then finally, oh God, I don't know if you can see it, there's a river here. This river is called
Maha Valley River.
And it is, give me the facts.
Yeah, that's the longest river in Sri Lanka, 335 kilometers. It is starting from Nuwara Houghton Plains, finishing in the Trincomalee in the east, all the way going to the sea.
And what's the translation? Big sand?
Big sand is mean, Maha Valley in Sinhalese.
Nice. Big Sand River. This place is good. Definitely come here. Definitely come here. Even if it's crowded and you don't wake up and you're not the first person in, still come here. You'll miss out if you don't.